and welcome back to another episode of Tips and Tricks Tuesday. I'm your host, Kaylin, the Social Media and Community Development Coordinator here at R.I.A. Federal Credit Union. Ho, 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 and welcome back. It's Christmas in July. Today we're going to give you some tips and tricks to help you achieve financial success throughout the stressful holiday season. Christmas is the most joyful time of the year. However, it is the most financial, stressful time of the year. Over 53% of Americans feel financially stressed during the holiday season. And roughly the average US consumer spends over $1,000 during the holiday season. So here are some tips and tricks to help you out. So coming in at number 1, open a holiday savings account with R.I.A. It's a no-brainer. You earn dividends. Rates may change after the account is open. Fees may reduce earnings on this account. You also get free online banking, e-statements, Dana telephone banking, direct deposit is available, and it's only $5 to open up. However, with the holiday savings account, withdrawals can only be made from October 1st through December 31st. At this time, funds can be withdrawn, transferred to another account, and you may also request a check be mailed to you. So, what else are some tips and tricks to help you out? Calculate how much money you need to save. Before you even think about shopping or hitting that Amazon app icon, be sure you go into your shopping with a budget. Make a list of each person that you plan on buying gifts for and how much money you want to spend on each person. The sooner you start saving and budgeting, the better. It's easier to start at the beginning of March than rather the end of October. The sooner you start saving, the less money you have to save. Next step is make saving money automatic. By setting up automatic withdrawals from a separate account each month, it takes away from the worrying of, did I deposit that money in this holiday account? And then you don't have to worry about it as much. And you can also add in more money anytime you want. Last up, don't be a Grinch. Here are some mistakes to avoid this holiday season. Don't steal money from your holiday savings. This is why you have an emergency fund in your budget. Do not go shopping without a plan in place. The next thing you know, you're buying 800 items on Black Friday, another 20 throughout the 12 days of Christmas, and then 600 gifts the day after Christmas. And then that way you don't have to worry about overspending. And last but not least, reusing last year's decorations. My favorite thing about Christmas is reusing decorations over and over, especially those year-long old traditional Christmas items that you used to decorate. There's nothing like a good feeling of family during the holiday season. So if you can spend less on Christmas decorations, you have more money to save for your gifts to continue on that holiday saving success this year. Ho, ho, ho! That is going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Let us know in the comment section down below what are some tips that you use during this holiday season. We would love to hear them. But anyways, that's going to be it for this week's Tips and Tricks Tuesday video. We will see you next week.